Welcome to ᴅᴏᴍᴍᴇ's Cape Cod Marine Service, where your boat's journey to perfection begins. Our expert team is dedicated to providing top-notch boat maintenance and marine services. Let's take a look at the transformation process, starting with the initial inspection. We begin by assessing the boat's condition and identifying areas that need attention. Next, we move on to cleaning and preparing the boat for service. Our comprehensive maintenance includes engine servicing, hull cleaning, and more. We use only the highest quality materials and parts to ensure your boat's longevity. Our skilled technicians handle each task with precision and care. We keep you informed every step of the way, ensuring transparency and peace of mind. Once the service is complete, we conduct a thorough final inspection. Your boat is now ready to hit the water, looking and performing at its best. At ᴅᴏᴍᴍᴇ, we pride ourselves on delivering exceptional marine services. Join the countless boat owners who trust us with their marine needs. Experience the ᴅᴏᴍᴍᴇ's difference today. Visit us at mcdougals.com or call us to schedule your service.